There's a lot of these unspoken rules about what it is to be a good neighbor. Why is it that a good neighbor is someone that you never hear from, or they keep themselves and you keep to yourself? It's really sad. Abundant Communities is challenging that, and it's a good thing. Hey Heather. Good, how are you? I always think of McCauley as a complex neighborhood. When people ask what part of the city I'm from, and I say McCauley, it usually turns into a whole conversation. To me, block connecting is just taking day-to-day moments to connect with people one-on-one, and just literally connecting with them. I had set up a table before with like hot chocolate and tea and stuff. I will take that opportunity to go off and introduce myself. Like for my neighbor a couple doors down, he's from the outside. It's one of these houses that people have assumptions about, that it doesn't look extremely welcoming. It's an old fence and it seems a bit run down. But then we walked up and knocked on the door a little bit hesitantly, not knowing who was going to come out, and we meet like the nicest guy. You know, Abundant Communities gives this opportunity to get to know your neighborhood at a very local level. I don't know, I think a part of Abundant Communities is taking those risks to know that you're in a safe community and it's okay to go and talk to your neighbors, and it'll be fine.